Okay, today, I am going to give my retarded Dagon's speech. Okay, when I get into the office, I will take away the healthy lunches. That Obama made all of the lunches healthy. I will put my cat mittens in schools and I will have cake in school. Yodel-a-hee-hoo. Yodel-a-hee-hoo, yodel-a-hee-hoo. I will put extra oil deep fryers in schools for French fries. Put an extra crisp on them. Yodel-a-hee-hoo and lean cuisine and amp. Tough. I like to eat yodel-a-hee-hoo and extra oily chicken nuggets. Put cake and unhealthy food in schools and kids will be happy. Yodel yodel yodel-a-hee-hoo, and I will increase jobs 90%. I will start the hillbilly coal mines too. So that puts an end to the speech. I will always remember you. The end.